Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. So this is a quick tutorial on how to use the alt text generator app for Webflow. So what you want to do is you want to scroll where it says Webflow app, click on install app, and that will take you to this place, which is the official Webflow marketplace. This is the application, and here what you want to do is you want to click where it says install app. Okay, so once you're on your site, it will look something like this. I have two images, which is this one and this one here. This is just for testing purposes. So if you double click on this one, you'll see that I don't have alt text here. And then for this one, also I don't have any alt text here, okay? All right, so we're gonna generate alt text for both of them. And here you can generate alt text for one of them. So if you click on one of them and then click on generate alt text, then you'll see a message appear on the top right saying that the alt text was generated successfully. And then if you double click on the image, you'll see that the alt text is here, okay? So I'm gonna delete it because I want you to see how to generate it in bulk, okay? All right, so if we wanna generate alt text in bulk, how do we do it? So if we wanna generate alt text in bulk, we just have to click on this setting here that says auto generate alt text when image selected. So if I click on this one, all I have to do is, well, I already have this image selected. That's why it's already generated in alt text. And it already generated for that one. But if I just click on this one, I don't have to touch anything. It will generate alt text automatically. You just have to click on the image. And if an image already has alt text, let's say I click on this one, which already has alt text, nothing will happen. It will detect that it has alt text and nothing will happen, okay? So you can see that the alt text is here. And then for this one, the alt text is here as well. So when you have this checkbox checked, then this will generate alt text automatically upon selecting the images. If you don't want this, you can just uncheck it and then do it manually by clicking on it and then clicking on the button. And that's it. That's a quick tutorial on how to use the alt text generator AI Webflow application. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.